What's up, RCNUTS? Thanks for coming back. I'm so glad to see that the channel is growing. Today we're going to have a little bit of a variety. We're going to do FPV on this Arrma Mojave, and we're going to do some long jumps with the Kraton, and I'm going to hand over the 4S Traxxas Maxx to my 9-year-old son for the first time to see if he can not destroy it in the first 5 minutes. We will see. A few videos back we had a Traxxas UDR with some FPV shots, and that thing has had a little bit of work to it, so it's super smooth over the desert, like amazing. You can see it in the footage, and so we're also comparing this Mojave with that UDR, just how smooth it is over the desert. It's pretty good, but it's not quite as good as that UDR, I must say. Right?
With a little black thing on there.
Yeah.
I should have seen you go. At least a couple times.
So here is my son's first flip attempt with the Max. And look at this Mojave fly. Man, this thing just shoots off this ramp. I mean, look at how far this thing goes. Bam!
Damn!
Gosh, I think the next one is probably better than that. Here we go.
Oh, buddy! Oh, no! Oh, good lord! Oh, corkscrew!
One time.
Guys, this is crazy. I couldn't believe this happened. Honestly, I just don't even understand how this thing survived. Check this out.
Oh! You hit a rock right there!
What? I can't see it.
My God. What? Is that okay? Jeez, did you see that? Hit the gas? Wow.
That's like annoying.
Man, we gotta get rid of that. Jeez. Oh gosh, there's concrete right there. How's concrete? Get out there.
Okay, pull back down. Let me do that again.
Oh, you made it. Nice.
Fun stuff.
So here's the Axial 1/24th scale Jeep Wrangler SCX 24. This thing is sick. my boy wanted to play around with it a little bit. He does pretty good, I think. Let me know what you guys think in the description, and if you have any suggestions or some bash ideas that you guys want to see us do, maybe some racing ideas, hit me up, let me know. I check all the comments and I pretty much get back to every single one of them. Thank you guys. And if you like the video, thumbs up, and if you don't like the video, hit the thumbs down twice. Thanks guys, have a good one.
Yes! You! You don't need a spoiler. Damn spoilers. Spoiling all the fun. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Good Lord! Yeah! Coming in hot. Yeah! Yeah! Oh yeah. The tires are ballooning. Yeah. Nice. I thought he was closer.